Hey guys, Moss50 here, coming with an unexpected unboxing. This time with the camileo or something, I don't know, p100 Toshiba camcorder, which I basically got for college as I'm going to need it. And it was basically the cheapest one I could get, and when I say cheapest, it was still fucking 95 quid, and it was the cheapest like trustworthy make I could find, because it's really set me back on my fucking PS4. But anyways, that's enough about that. Let's get into it. So first of all, there's front. You can see that it says it's in Full HD. It's got a touchscreen, which I'm not a big fan of. It uses megapixel camera, advanced zoom, web upload, which could come in handy if I use this for YouTube videos in future, and motion detector. So yeah. Color's black, includes some cables apparently. But anyways, that's fun. That's the back. I don't know if I show you that. I'm gonna just show you a bit of it. There we go. There's a bit of information about my order here. Alright, that's the side. Those are the cables it includes apparently. Other side. Other side. Other side. That should be it all. Alright, so I'm going to need my knife, I believe. Yes, so 1 second. Okay, so, bollocks. Anyways, let's just pull this down. Open up. See what we get. It says discover the undiscovered. Okay, alright, so open that, get the camcorder first off, nice and small, convenient. Take a look at that in a second, see what else we get in here. Motherfucker. Alright, so lift that out, yeah. So first of all we get some, couple discs. Don't know what they're for, or just instructions or some shit. What's this? Oh, it's guarantee. Okay, I'll put that to the side. That might have personal details. I don't know. That's the warranty. And then the quick start guide, which is fucking huge. So yeah, you get a case too, which is pretty nice. Yeah, it's a charger. It's got an American connection. That's kind of retarded. Oh no, yeah. Okay, yeah. Alright, just make sure. So you get British and the American. There's the USB. What's this? It's another USB. Oh no, oh shit. Oh shit, you get HDMI, that's really good actually, they give you HDMI. That's USB. That seems like an... Oh, what the fuck do you call this again? Come on, why in my head? The strap. Yeah, there's a strap. This is... I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a tripod. Yeah, it's a tripod. Okay, so basically they give you every single thing you need, including a cloth, except for the mandatory memory card, which is brilliant. Anyway, so let's get that out of the way. Let's have a look at the actual camera, which is the main part here. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Give you a quick look round. Let's open this part up, I guess. That's what that looks like. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a quick unboxing of a Toshiba, what the fuck is this called again? Camileo p100 camcorder, the cheapest one I could find. So yeah, that's Moss50 signing out.